friends. So now we will discuss about what actually happens on the day of surgery when you are planning to go for liposuction, as well as what happens after the surgery, that is post-operative care and all other details in next couple of videos. On the day of surgery, as you have been instructed, you should be fasting for at least 6 to 8 hours depending on what doctor has told you and what you have been explained about it. Once you approach the facility, you will be taken for marking of the area where we are planning to do for the liposuction procedure. Here, all the areas where liposuction is to be done will be marked. Any asymmetry will be marked. If asymmetry can be filled with fat that has been removed by liposuction, that is fat grafting, that also will be marked, and you will be taken for surgery. Most of the time surgery is under general anesthesia, and depending on the amount of fat to be removed and number of areas to be done, the operation can last anywhere between 1.5 to 4 hours. What the doctor will do during the surgery. Once you are under anesthesia, the area of liposuction will be filled with what is known as tumescent fluid. The fluid that contains medications which reduce the blood loss, as well as it will provide some anesthesia to the part where we are going to do the liposuction. Once the fluid has been infiltrated in the area, we nowadays use what is known as ultrasound assisted liposuction, also popularly known as laser liposuction. Herein, we pass the ultrasound probe under the skin in the area for where liposuction is to be done, and this ultrasound will help in two ways. Ultrasound will help melt the fat and thereby improve the output of the fat from that particular area. Ultrasound will also lead to more tightening of the skin by hitting the tissues under the skin. So these way the results of ultrasound assisted liposuctions are a little better than ordinary liposuction. Once the area has been treated with ultrasound, the process of liposuction, the actual liposuction is started. We nowadays are using what is known as power assisted liposuction or PAL. Here in the power assisted technology, the cannula is moving back and forth up to like 3000 to 4000 times in a minute. This will help remove the stubborn fat from the area, and this will also ease the process of removal of the fat. Once the liposuction process is over, the surgeon does a final examination to study whether the symmetry has been achieved or not. If not, an additional touch-up procedure is also conducted at the same time. After the surgery, the reversal of anesthesia will be immediate. You could be having some pain and doctor will give you painkiller in the form of injectables. If the liposuction was a major liposuction or a mega liposuction, doctor will pass a urinary catheter to monitor the urine output, which will be removed either same day evening or next day morning. After you are out of anesthesia, you will not be allowed to take anything orally for 2 to 4 hours. After that time, you will be allowed to take, beginning with liquids and then soft diet, and then you will move on to regular diet same day evening or next day morning. How long you will be in the hospital? If it was a small area liposuction or a minor liposuction, you will be going home same day evening. That is a daycare procedure. However, if the liposuction was a major one, the doctor might as well keep you overnight in the hospital. Whatever the case may be, you will be moving around same day, and you will, with mild discomfort, you will be doing all your daily routine next day onward. As we know that the liposuction removes fat from under your skin, so there will be a gap between skin and underlying muscles. We would like that skin to get stuck to the underlying muscle as soon as possible. So we would be giving you, the doctor would be giving you pressure garment or stockings to be worn under your clothes. These clothes are to be worn day and night for at least 1 month, then most part of the day for next 3 to 4 months. The results of liposuction can be appreciated on table. However, the gap that has been created between the skin and muscle, as well as within the skin, there will be some swelling inside, and this swelling will not allow the results to be appreciated immediately. Result can be appreciated about 3 to 4 months after the surgery. This is the time you will be really back into a new shape, and this is the time when you will probably go for changing of your wardrobe. This was all about liposuction surgery. Do like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.